Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the new session of mathematics, especially for those students those are weak in mathematics. In this video, we are going to start from the basic, in which we will cover the types of numbers. Firstly, types of numbers, जिसमें हम फर्स्ट कवर करेंगे इवन नंबर्स. Actually, this is the basic of types of numbers. Before going to further, we must know that the in which categories we have divided the types, in which categories we have divided the numbers. Even numbers. Firstly, what are the even numbers? The numbers, those are divisible by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to so on. And you can also say that the numbers those will come in the table of 2 are called the even numbers. Understood? Now next we will cover the odd numbers. This is exactly opposite to even numbers. The numbers those are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 3, 5, 7, up to so on are called the odd numbers. You can clearly see that 3, 5 and 7 will not come in the table of 2. So these kind of numbers are called odd numbers. Now move further. Third one is natural numbers. Natural numbers. The numbers those are start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes up to infinite. Infinite means the numbers that have no end. These type of numbers are called natural numbers. Now move further. Fourth one is whole numbers. When we include 0 in the natural number and we get the whole numbers. Example 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. You can also say that the numbers those are start from 0 are called the whole numbers. Now move further. The fifth category is the integers. When we collect all the natural numbers and negative of natural numbers including 0 are called the integers. Example 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite and negatives of natural numbers that is -1, -2, -3 up to so on. These type of numbers are called integers. Now, moreover, sixth category is the rational numbers. The numbers which we can write in the form of P over Q are called rational numbers. Where P and Q are integers. We have already discussed the integers. In the fifth one, what are the integers? And one more condition in the rational numbers, the Q that is in the denominator will not be 0. These kind of numbers are called rational numbers. Example 1 over 2, 5 over 7, 2 over 8, etc. are called rational numbers. Now here is a one question for you. So tell me the answer. 1 over 0 is a rational number or not? Definitely not, because we have learned in the definition of rational numbers, denominator will not be 0, but in this example denominator is 0, so that's why this number is not a rational number. Clear to everyone? Now, moreover, the seventh one is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, the numbers those we cannot be write in the form of p over q, cannot be written in the form of p over q are called irrational numbers. Example, root 2, 3.14, etc. are called irrational numbers. Now, move further. Eighth one is the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Now, what are the prime numbers? The numbers, those have only two factors. Two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. And you can also say that the number, those will come in the table of 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Example, 2, 3, 5, etc. And you can clearly see that 2 will come only in the table of 2 and the table of 1. 3 is also and the 5 also. These kind of numbers are called the prime numbers. Clear? Now move further. The ninth one is the composite number. The composite numbers, the numbers that have more than two factors, are called the composite numbers. The numbers, those have more than two factors. Example, 4, 6, 8, etc. are called composite numbers. And you can also see that the numbers those will come in the table of 1 itself and other tables are called the composite numbers. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.